Clear communication in business meetings isn't about big vocabulary. It's about a few specific habits native professionals use automatically, almost without thinking. Most learners assume sounding clear means knowing more words, but it's actually about how you shape what you already know. Here are 3 habits that instantly make your English sound clearer in any meeting starting today. Tip 1. Use short sentences, one idea at a time. Instead of saying, "I think that considering the current budget constraints, we might want to potentially reconsider the timeline," say, "The budget is tight. I think we should adjust the timeline." Same message, but each sentence carries exactly one idea, and that alone makes you far easier to follow, even at normal speaking speed. You'll notice people stop asking you to repeat yourself once you start doing this consistently. Tip 2. Stress your keyword, not every word. In "we need this by Friday," stress Friday clearly, and let the rest of the sentence flow faster and quieter around it. This single habit, emphasizing just one word per sentence, is what makes native speakers sound confident and clear, even when their vocabulary is fairly simple. Tip 3. Pause before your key point, not after. A short half-second pause, right before your main idea. So, our recommendation is, we move forward in Q2, makes people lean in and actually listen to what comes next, instead of the pause landing awkwardly after you've already said it and lost their attention. Here's why these 3 specific habits work. Meetings move fast, and listeners are processing multiple speakers at once, not just focusing on you. Short sentences, one stressed word, and a well-placed pause all do the same job. They tell the listener exactly where to focus their attention, without requiring bigger vocabulary at all. Try this today. In your very next meeting, pick just one of these 3 habits and use it deliberately, even once. Which of these 3 feels hardest for you right now? Short sentences, word stress, or pausing? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.